This is a video on how to replace the Parker type refill on a Diva pen. The top just unscrews from the pen and the refill comes out with the top. Now the spring should also come out with the refill. If it doesn't, it's down inside the writing end of the pen, and you can poke down in there to remove it. When you replace the refill, you push it into the upper section of the pen. Make sure that the spring is on the end of on the writing end of the refill, and just push them together and screw them together, and screw them together snugly so that the point comes out from the refill comes out from the writing end of the pen, and just like I say, snugly, don't overdo it, and then check that the action of retracting and extending the refill works fine.